Are you ready to take control of your trucking career? Our client's lease purchase program is designed to help hardworking drivers like you earn, save, and own your truck. Here's why drivers are loving this program. Take home $1,500 to $2,000 per week after expenses while running steady miles. Earn 50 cents per mile on deadhead miles. Get 100% fuel surcharge reimbursement to protect your earnings. Save an average of 55 cents per gallon at the pump. No money down, no credit check, and just $100 to own your truck. With 2,500 to 3,000 miles weekly and consistent reefer freight, you'll have steady paychecks and reliable loads with no slow seasons. We understand that a lease purchase program is a big commitment. It's not for everyone, and that's okay. If you're not ready for ownership just yet, we also offer competitive company driver positions to help you keep building your career. Click the link in description box to take the first step toward your future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and opportunities. Your next big career move might be in our next video.